If you watched our last video on how to manually clear system data on your Mac, then this is the next step. Now, macOS does come with a built-in cleaner called Optimized Storage, but it barely scratches the surface. It can suggest moving files to iCloud and emptying your trash, but that's about it. The real problem is that not all third-party Mac cleaners are created equal. Some barely remove a few cache files, while others add so many background processes that they slow your system down even more. Unlike most tools that started on Windows and later squeezed into macOS, Intego was built for Macs from day one, and it shows. Its cleanup tool, called Washing Machine, comes with three main modes: Reclaim, Duplicates, and Organize. Reclaim scans your Mac for junk files, caches, and downloads you forgot existed. In my test, it cleared out several gigabytes without touching anything important. Duplicates finds identical files hiding in random folders, which is great if you work with large media files or backups. And Organize is surprisingly smart. It tidies your desktop, sorts your apps, and even helps manage your dock layout. What I liked most is how much control you actually get here. You can choose what to delete, what to keep, and even secretly erase data by overwriting it with random code, up to 35 times. That's the same method used by government-level data sanitization tools. Intego also doubles as a full antivirus and firewall suite powered by its VirusBarrier and NetBarrier engines. It blocked every piece of malware during testing and barely affected performance. There's also a scheduler that reminds you to clean up every few weeks or months, depending on your settings. It's the kind of subtle automation that keeps your Mac fast without being too intrusive. Pricing starts around the same as our other premium cleaners, but you're getting a full protection suite, not just a disk tool. Plus, it's backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out risk-free. If you want the best all-in-one package, Intego is the clear winner. It doesn't just clean junk, it optimizes your system, protects you from malware, and keeps everything running like new. We've included discounted links to our top picks down in the description box below, so be sure to check those offers out while they're live. And if you've used any of these cleaners yourself, then tell us down in the comments how they worked out for you. But as always, thank you so much for watching Safety Detectives and keeping your Mac clean and your data safe, and we'll see you in the next video.